We're off to the pub. Is this the right hotel? We're at the wrong hotel. You flogger? Good morning, day one in Mackay, Queensland. Nice and warm, Jet?
Yes.
Got a swimming pool, Jet. Let's go get the local paper, Jetty. Got the local paper, Daily Mercury. Alright, we just got a friend's car to use for a couple of days. Check this out. It's alright.
And plus they're building a highway.
Hello, Pen. Sawadee Cup. Okay. How you going, old fella? What's going on?
You know your son's bigger than you now, in height.
Bye-bye. See you
Bye-bye.
next time.
We're off to the pub
Yep.
with my older son, Daniel.
How's it going?
Let's go. Where we going? Shamrock. How's your dinner, mate? All right? Crikey, look at the size of that. It's bigger than your guts. You're not going to get all that in you?
Yeah, I will.
Holy
wait and
crikey. How's the pub?
Really good.
Crikey, what's going on here?
Probably thinking we're cops.
Where were we? How was dinner?
Oh, it was
Very good.
excellent. It was beautiful.
Let's go. Is this the right hotel?
I think so. Maybe. Oh, we lost that?
How many drinks have you had?
Oh, can't remember. You?
Jesus. Oh, I only had water. I only had water. I was only drinking water.
Which room are we in? Do you remember?
I don't know. We're at the wrong hotel. You flogger? Bloody hell. Gee, that's good. That opened up, that door. Hey, Flog. What's going on?
Hello.
We've just been at the cafeteria having some dinner
Yeah.
and glasses of water. That's all we had.
Oh, yeah.
Glasses of water and
we had
some salad. Day 4. Let's go looking for some property. Hey, Jetty.
That's pretty cool.
Hey, Jet. Look how big the tree is. Pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, there's another air mattress there. Huge space for the kids. This is an Airbnb in Mackay. Okay, toilet shower. For an Airbnb, there's an awful lot of private cupboards here. Take a look at this. This is the kitchen. Private. 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 Come down to the private. I don't even know why you wouldn't have this. There's another room here. Another room there. It should be this entire part of the house. Anyway, the lady who owns this place is quite nice. Told us to use the left hand side of the driveway, but one of her friends has come over and blocked the driveway. That's the bit of driveway we're meant to be using. Can't get in. So what we had to do is park out in the street and carry all our luggage in. A bit ordinary. Good morning, day 5 Shane and Mackay, Queensland, Australia. It's a bit cool this morning. It's a lot better than that 30 degrees in Thailand though. We're going to try and do a sunrise. Well, that was a nice sunrise, but it's bloody cold. Let's go and have some breakfast. Let's go. It's so quiet here. You don't even hear any motorbikes, not like Thailand. Righty. Hello, Lily. Jet.
You're gonna get used to this.
Daniel.
How's it going?
Alright, bloke. We're going to get going.
Here you go. Call out sometime.
Alright. Alright, we're at Town Beach in Mackay and I want to show you that the tides. The tides go out really big here. Check this out. This is what it looks like when the tide's in. When the tide goes out this afternoon, it's probably going to go out 1.5, maybe 2 kilometres. I'll come back then and show you. Alright, just come close to the water's edge to give you an idea where the water is now, where it's going to be this afternoon. Take a look. Just taking my young fella for driving lessons. He's alright, he's alright. Daniel! No, you've done really good. I'm not shaking at all. This is a brand new estate up near Mackay. It's freaking beautiful. It's quite a nice park. It's pretty nice, isn't it? Look at that. Barbecues, tables and chairs. What do you reckon, Jenny? Good? Alright, we're doing some reverse parking here. This is the front of the BMW here, parked here. See how the young fella goes. Alright, we've come back to the beach. Check out the low tide. We're going to go for a walk. Low tide's still another hour away. Take a look. I remember this log this morning, the water's right there. Not all the way out. Crikey, we've been walking for an hour. This is crazy. What do you reckon, Jenny? Where are you?
We should adventure
Head back?
back home.
Alright. How was the walk?
Long as, man.
Jenny?
Pretty bad.
We're
That was
buggered.
pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, good
Pretty
and
cool.
bad.
We're all so tired now.
Look at that. That is crazy, isn't it? Hello. How are you?
Bahala.
Yeah.
I trust him.
I don't trust any horse.
Yeah,
Even if
same.
it was
Like,
my own, I wouldn't trust it.
I don't trust him, but I would. Like, I do trust him.
On the fringe. Come over.
This is mine. That's how they see. You rush it
No,
over.
that's his full rock.
Oh, you're just loving this tension, aren't you?
Oh yeah, because I
Down around yard, please. Down around yard.
Oh god. No.
We got that on camera.